Everyone, hope you all are having a good time so far. On behalf of the family, I would like to welcome you all who are gathered here today. Well, the people who don't know me, I'm the eldest cousin sister of the group. First of all, I want to wish my brother and his newly wedded wife a wonderful life together. And before anything else, I would like to remember all of our family members who are no longer with us today. Especially remembering our Loku Tata, Loku Amma and Senarat Bappa. We are sad they could not be here today, but I know they are somewhere smiling, laughing, toasting to Mithun. Also sending their blessings as well. Especially our Senarat Bappa. He was looking out for this day. We are dearly missing him each and every passing day. Well, it's come to Mithun and me. We have known each other from birth. We have been through thick and thin. I'm just so grateful to always have Mithun by my side from the childhood. Most of all, Lasantaya, Indikaya, Mithun, Koshi, my Nangi,